Have you ever wondered how websites come to life? JavaScript is the magic behind interactive web pages. Today, we'll explore what JavaScript is and why it matters. JavaScript is a programming language used for web development. It makes websites dynamic and user-friendly. First, let's understand JavaScript in simple terms. It allows developers to create engaging experiences online. Without it, websites would be static and dull. Now, let's dive into the basic features of JavaScript. JavaScript can change HTML content dynamically. It can respond to user actions like clicks and typing. This interaction creates a seamless experience for users. Let's move on to the steps of using JavaScript. Step 1. Add JavaScript to your HTML file. You can use the tag for this. Step 2. Write your code between the script tags. For example, try displaying an alert when the page loads. This code snippet can serve as your first step. Step 3. Run your code in a web browser. You'll see the alert pop up instantly. Now, let's explore a real-world example. Consider a simple form that greets users. With JavaScript, you can make a greeting appear after submission. When a user inputs their name, the greeting shows up. It's interactive and personalizes their experience. To summarize, JavaScript enhances websites significantly. It enables dynamic content and user engagement. Understanding its basics is the first step to web development. Ready to dive deeper into coding with JavaScript? Start experimenting today and unlock the power of interaction.